Hey guys, so I am sitting here in my car and I saw these at Walmart earlier and I was like, let's get one of these and do a review on these. These are cool. These are milk chocolate with candy inside, include stickers too. And it is the Despicable Me. Anyway, so it says right here there is 26 different possibilities. Which shape will you get? So we shall see. And there's the flavors. Which flavor will you get? I'm going to go for blue raspberry and a blue one. Just because, you know, blue's my favorite color. So it came with these stickers here. And here's the chocolate. I don't know how I'm going to do this with one hand. Like, really, what was I thinking? So we shall see, guys. I'm all time pulling something off crazy like this. So here's the chocolate ball. Oh, crap. Dang. This chocolate tastes like at, hang on, it's hot in here. This chocolate tastes like orange chocolate. You know that orange, like, chocolate you can get at Christmas time? I mean, you don't get the whole full orange taste, but I think it's where this candy was sitting around it. Oh my God, this chocolate's delightful.